The amazing world of wildlife on planet Earth is a fascinating thing to discuss and learn about. The vast green forests that stretch across the planet are home to a vast and unpredictable number of plants and animals. One of them is Papua's tropical rainforest, which is one of the most amazing ecosystems in the world. Located on the eastern tip of Indonesia, this forest is home to a variety of flora and fauna species that cannot be found anywhere else. The biodiversity here has yet to be studied, making it an alluring mystery and a challenge for researchers and nature lovers to explore and uncover the beauty and mystery of this forest. In the tropical rainforests of Papua, more than 13,000 species of plants live, including some endemic species that can only be found in this region. There are many plants that have medicinal properties, as well as various types of trees that provide oxygen for the planet. In this video, we take a deep dive into Papua's tropical rainforest, understanding its incredible beauty, as well as the enormous challenges faced in preserving it. Papua's tropical rainforest covers more than 250,000 kilometers, making it one of the largest tropical rainforests in the world. The natural beauty is stunning with towering trees, clear streams, and lowlands and mountains that make it very rich in ecosystem diversity. Here, the exposure to humid tropical air, high rainfall, and stable temperatures throughout the year provide perfect conditions for various types of flora and fauna life to thrive. This forest in the far east of Indonesia is not only rich in natural beauty, but is also home to a variety of wildlife that is very unique and not found anywhere else. Now, let's delve deeper into the wildlife of the Papuan rainforest, from the exotic animals to the immense challenges they face in survival. Let's explore this fascinating yet fragile world. With more than 250,000 kilometers of forest, Papua is home to more than 1,000 species of birds, more than 200 species of mammals, and thousands of species of insects and reptiles. The bird of paradise is one of the icons of the Papuan forest. Famed for its magnificent plumage, this bird is a symbol of the splendor of this tropical rainforest. There are more than 40 species of birds of paradise in Papua, with some of them found only in certain areas. Their captivating plumage colors and intricate behavior are one of the main attractions for researchers, nature photographers, and tourists. This species of bird is very difficult to find, as it is very fast and agile, and prefers to live in dense enclosed forest canopies, some of which prefer to live on the moist and hard-to-reach forest floor. Apart from birds, Papua also has a variety of endemic mammals that are not found anywhere else. One of them is the tree kangaroo, which lives in tropical forests and has unique adaptations to survive in the trees. With strong claws and a long tail used to maintain balance, tree kangaroos are highly skilled at moving between tree branches. One of the largest and most iconic birds of the Papuan rainforest is the cassowary. This bird is known for its large body size and incredibly strong legs. Cassowaries are flightless birds and are more commonly found in the lowland forests of this tropical rainforest. In these rainforests, bats are often seen in large numbers, flying together in amazing formations. These swarms usually fly at night, coming out of the caves or large trees in which they live. Their presence in Papua's tropical forests is an important part of the ecosystem, as they help control populations of insects that can damage crops. It's a perfect example of how every part of the ecosystem interacts with each other, creating a fragile yet vital balance for the survival of all creatures in this tropical rainforest. Although Papua's forests are rich in amazing wildlife, many of them now face serious threats that could reduce their biodiversity. One of the biggest threats to wildlife in Papua is massive deforestation. Land clearing for agriculture, oil palm plantations, and mining exploitation has a huge impact on wildlife habitat. Habitat loss causes many threatened species to lose their homes and food sources, which ultimately affects their population numbers. We can all play a part in conserving Papua's forest wildlife. By supporting conservation policies, choosing environmentally friendly products, and speaking up for conservation, we can help keep these magnificent animals alive and thriving.